This takes a 1 1/4 cup of water, which is why I brought my measuring cup, so I can have an exact amount. Get this package opened up and ready. Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. We'll be making lunch here at the park. We'll be trying the Stowaway Gourmet Comrade Doeganoff. It's creamy stroganoff with venison, pasta, mushrooms, and I don't know if I could say that, babu shushka secret sauce. So I've never had it before, so I'm going to be trying it for the first time. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's a closer look at the meal. It's kind of folded over, but Stowaway Gourmet. Got my little Fab Creations Trangia set. I'm letting it prime, which I'm going to put the stove on, but I got to do it two-handed because I got the handles still folded over. I don't think I can do it one-handed. Alright, I kind of swear it open. So I got the, and you had to fall down. Okay, there we go. Got the exact oxygen absorber. Get that out of there. And that's some, I might get the other, I don't know if you can see that okay, but that's some big chunky, big chunky meal in there. I love stroganoff too, so this should be a good meal. I just realized I forgot to try my Built Bar. D. Thomas and Cat in the North sent this to me. I'm going to eat it while I wait for my pasta, which I think now is boiling, so. Wow. Digging the stove so far there, Mr. Bruce. It's pretty badass. The simplicity, the awesomeness, that's a 10 for 10. I haven't gotten the water boiling yet. Man, I got boiling in no time. I'm going to do a cup of coffee too, so. Alright. Got that going. Alright, my water was going, so I had to hurry, but I gotta say, this Built Bar, it's really good. Got a really nice flavor. Oh, excuse me, it's mint brownie. Yeah, I'm gonna look for these in the stores. Highly recommend. They're delicious. Thank you, Kat. And thank you, D. Thomas. Appreciate it. Last bite. I need to get more. Those are pretty awesome. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. Alright. Coffee is starting to bubble pretty seriously, so let's get the coffee poured. Got my little tongs here to pick this up. With a safe feel, I can get the simmer ring on here. Sweet. Excellent. Alrighty, so I got my coffee steeping, going with the Wildland coffee again. It's been 10 minutes plus because I didn't look at the time. It only takes 10 minutes for this to smell. Smells really good. Spoon's not really long enough. Wow, that's actually really good. Get the big guns out. Yeah. Tracy Phillips made this for me. I forget what I called it. Let's get this into a bowl so you guys can see it. Wow. Well, it takes the whole bowl actually. That's what she looks like. Let's taste it. All right, there she is. Smells good. I guess I don't need the long spoon now, but I'm gonna go with it anyway. Wow. That's pretty damn good. Nice big pieces of meat. It rehydrated really well. Had a really nice flavor too. Yeah, I like it. Cheers to your good health. Yum. All right, so final verdict on the Stowaway Gourmet Comrade Doeganoff. Really good. In fact, I kind of wish I had another one. I would eat it. So, now I will say, in honesty, when I placed my order, I didn't see an email for 6 days before they're like, oh yeah, we shipped it. And I was like, why did you sit on it so long? But then I had it in 2 days after that. So, if you're gonna order it and you're in a hurry, if you need it by the coming weekend, you might want to think ahead a little bit and order them 2 weeks in advance if you're going to order some. Now, I have one more I'm going to be trying at some point. And I'm sure some of you are wondering, well, what about the peak meals you got? Those are coming too, as soon as I get out and shoot them. And when that happens, I'll get the videos up. But I actually ordered this couple months ago, so I ended up doing this first. But yeah, it was really tasty, really tasty. Would get again. All right, well, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. I will link their website down in the description. You know, I paid for this too. They didn't send this to me. I purchased this myself. So, you know, I'm not saying it's good just because, you know, they gave it to me. I would get it again. So, but the first time I went and ordered it, tried to order it, they were sold out. So you might run into that. And they had some other ones, some breakfast ones too. I think I might order a couple of those and give them a try. All right, have a good one. Peace.